When you run into a problem, you have three ways to look at it, okay? So here is a problem. Here's a problem. One, think yourself. What can I think? Can I think differently about it? You see my point? Can I think differently about it? Can I think more creatively? As in creatively? Maybe it's an opportunity. You know, if something is present in your life and you tell yourself, oh my God, this is the best thing that happened to me, but it's a disaster. Your brain is searching why it's good. All of a sudden, it has a different reframing. So you start thinking yourself. The other way to think about a problem is others. Are they the problem? Do I need, okay, are they the problem? Because they're incompetent, they're thieves, they're liars, they are, they lack energy. Are they the problem? Do I need to change them? Change them has two connotations here. Change their behavior or replace them. You're with me on this? Almost all problems stem from people and are solved by people. And the third one is, how about that business endeavor? Maybe that's the problem. I'm in a business I shouldn't be in. Maybe I shouldn't buy that building. Maybe it's just the wrong one. It's just I can't get the right prices. So the business endeavor itself, maybe the price, maybe the value, maybe the terms, something there got to change. You're with me? So do I change myself the way I think? Do I change others? Or do I actually change the business endeavor itself? You're with me on this? If you just distill any problem to this, you're going to find the solutions.